Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Shadowban on Roblox. To know how to fix or how to solve Shadowban on Roblox app, you should just go to settings as you see and you can click. Here we'll enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window or to the app of Roblox and you can click here. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.